Hello? Is,
Hello?
is that the taxi, please?
We're from please.
I am a little bit funny. I am outside the Groger's Rest.
How's over, sir?
The Groger's Rest.
Goggles rest, yeah.
Yes, but I am on a lamppost. My legs are tied to it was my stag night, and my legs are chained to the lamppost.
Your legs are chained to a lamppost.
Yes, I need like so please can you bring like a sword or something, please?
I think you'd be better off ringing the fire brigade, mate.
But I need taxi to go to how you say now the Sterfoot Roundabout.
Yeah, I think you'd be better off ringing fire brigade, mate, to get you free and then we'll sort something out. Alright, mate.
But I need a taxi, please.